We're talking health matters at the moment, and I'm joined by Katrina Garg from 4CT, an organisation which is involved in bringing, it's a scheme that's bringing sexual health education to young people like Afshan here in Chelsea. Afshan, who's 17 and Chelsea's 14, are part of a campaign which is funded by the Manchester Teenage Pregnancy Partnership. They've produced a DVD aimed at people their age in order to highlight some of the issues they face. Katrina, thanks very much for coming in, guys. Much appreciated. Can you tell us, first of all, a little bit about the campaign? Where did the idea come from?
The idea came from, we were offered funding from a funding body called Any Plans Tonight, and that's managed by the Manchester Teenage Pregnancy Strategy. Right. And what they said was, you know, we've got some money for young people to actually do a project, because what they recognise is that young people can actually get a more positive message out and a more sort of something on their level. So they decided that, you know, they were going to give out money, and so I said to the girls, do you want to apply? And they were like, yeah.
Yeah, I can tell you're confident already. You were actually stealing my job already, weren't you, reading my autocue, and then I fluffed it when we actually came to it. Do you feel like it's an issue that a lot of young people are in the dark about, still, you think, with regards to sexual health?
Yeah, I mean, Britain's got one of the worst teenage pregnancy rates in the world. 1 in 10 young people catch chlamydia, so I'd say it's quite an issue. And that's relevant to young people at the moment. And
when the idea of the DVD came up, you guys were involved straight away then. So tell us a little bit about putting the DVD together. What do you think was important to go in there?
Well, we wanted to send a message, you know, obviously about using a condom to start off with,
yeah.
But we wanted it in an easier way for people to understand. So we kind of played on the Catch It, Bin It, Kill It advert for swine flu.
Right.
And changed it into our Get It, Wear It, Stop It. And for the actual DVD content, we played on the MasterCard idea for priceless.
Right.
So instead of using priceless, we've used like stupid or good idea or bad idea.
Right, I see.
So it's quite child-friendly. Not child-friendly, but...
Well, I guess you're young people friendly is what you're looking at, really, isn't it? I think it is. I mean, obviously there's some clips of it up there. Now, it's obviously quite a controversial subject area, isn't it? Because a lot of people, obviously, Chelsea, with regards to yourself being 14 and talking about sexual health, do you think it's appropriate? Some people say it isn't appropriate for people under the legal age of consent to be talking about these matters.
I think you have to look at the realities that, you know, young people under 16 are having sex and are getting pregnant,
yeah.
And there are guidelines that, you know, youth workers, anyone that's working with a young person can follow in terms of making sure that they're assessing the young person that's under 16 to sort of say, right, okay, well, they're making a decision and it's something that the parents can't be involved in because the young person doesn't feel comfortable talking to the parents. So there is, you know, the Fraser guidelines are out there for youth workers to use, which means that it's already recognised by law that obviously under 16s need that advice and that guidance.
Well, I guess it can be difficult to get people to talk about things in the first place. Chelsea, for you, what kind of attracted you to the scheme in the first place? How did you get involved?
Well, I first started working for Katrina in July, and then I found out about it, so I was like, well, no, why not get involved?
Was it a matter that you thought was quite important beforehand? Is it something people that you know in your age are very much worried about?
Yeah, because in school you hear people saying, oh, I did this last night with my boyfriend, and you're like, well, you know, you shouldn't be doing that, you're underage.
Yeah, so I guess a lot of people might be quite shocked by things like that. Do you think if you had much feedback about your DVD, has it gone down well with the people that you know and such?
The girls they've got their own Facebook page, and they've uploaded it onto there, and we've had comments from, you know, other young people to sort of say, you know, it's a good DVD, and, you know, they've actually then gone out to relevant agencies and actually, you know, gone and had a chat and stuff. So
well done, guys. Well, I mean, it's important to keep people informed. Thank you very much for coming in. Cheers, thanks very much.